Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a legitimate test environment. Use a debug build or a test account so you do not interact with live contests. Once done, install Android Studio or a reputable emulator like Genemotion and enable developer options on the virtual device. Make sure mock locations is permitted by the emulator. You do this to debug location-based behavior without violating terms and to keep results reproducible. This protects your account and ensures ethical testing practices. Next, configure the emulator's location controls so you can simulate coordinates reliably. In Android Studio, use extended controls location to enter lat/long or load a GPX/KML route. Alternatively, use a DB-EMU geofix or send enemy sentences for realistic movement. Once configured, run your debug build and watch logcat to verify location callbacks and permissions. Make sure to test permission flows and fallback behavior so you understand how the app reacts to different simulated positions during development. Finally, validate the app's behavior under simulated locations. Confirm UI updates, geofence triggers, and any location-based logic operate as expected. If something goes wrong, first make sure you granted runtime location permissions and selected the emulator or mock app as the mock location provider. Then inspect emulator GPS status and a DB logs. If you still see issues, restart the emulator and redeploy a clean debug build. Remember, never use these techniques to access live contests or bypass platform rules. Restore settings when done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.